So hello guys, welcome back to another video of mine, and this time we will be discussing about how do we subtract decimal numbers. So let's start first by knowing what are the steps in subtracting decimals. If you could still recall, we have 3 steps in adding decimal numbers from my previous video, and what are they? So step number 1 is to align the decimal point and also align your numbers or digits. Step number 2, we are to add the digits by column. Okay, starting from our rightmost digit going to our left. But in subtraction, of course, we will subtract them. And step number 3 is to place a decimal point on our answer that is directly below the aligned decimal points from step number 1. By the way, in this video, the kind of subtraction that we will be working on is subtraction of decimals without regrouping. So it means that the digits on our minuend is higher than the digits on our subtrahend. The minuend are the numbers above, while the subtrahend are the numbers below. And now let me show you how to do those steps in 3, 2, 1. So again, we will start subtracting from our rightmost place value going to our left. So it means we will be starting with our thousands place. So 9 minus 8 will give us 1. Then we move to our next place value on our left, which is 5 minus 1 will then give us 4. Then again, move 1 place to our left, and that's 2 minus 1, which will give us 1. And lastly, we move to our last place value on our left, which is 3 and 2. 3 minus 2 will then give us an answer of 1. And don't forget to do the last step, which is to put the decimal point on our answer, which is directly aligned to our decimal points from the minuend and the subtrahend. Therefore, our answer would be 1 and 141 thousandths, or 1.41. So now let's have another example. In here, we have 31.495 minus 11.271. Again, we will know that we can subtract them without regrouping if the digits on the minuend is the number on the top, is equal or higher than of the subtrahend, while the subtrahend are the numbers below. So we will know if we can subtract them without regrouping if the numbers here on the top are higher. So let's take a look. Let's compare our minuend digits from our subtrahend digits. So 5 is greater than 1, so it's good. 9 and 7, 9 is greater than 7. 4 is greater than 2. 1 is equal to 1, so it's part of it. We can solve it without regrouping. 3 compared to 1, so 3 is higher than 1. So let's start subtracting them. So as in following step number 2, we have to subtract them by columns. We will be starting with 5 and 1. So 5 minus 1 will give us 4. Then move to our next place value on the left, which is 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. Then next is 4 minus 2 will give us also 2. Then 1 minus 1 is 0. And finally, 3 minus 1 will give us 2. Then again, don't forget to do the last step, which is to make sure to put your decimal point on our difference, which is directly aligned from our decimal points. Meaning we have to put our decimal point right there. Okay, therefore, the difference of 31.495 and 11.271 is 20.224, or 20 and 224 thousandths. I hope after watching this video, you really learned. And please watch out for more videos to come, and I hope I still have more time to create videos. That's all for now. Keep safe mga kamasters. God bless us all. Bye-bye.